listen. Okay. An alarm. 2 rounds of the alarm. A standard alarm, not a cell phone alarm. Some other alarm. Do you follow? Thank you. Once. It did its cycle. It went off. It did its cycle. By the second cycle is when I heard someone jump up and race. It was over here, the alarm. It's all over here. All the shit is on the side. I'm fucking telling you, I swear I'm testifying to this. The alarm is somewhere over here, okay? The TV is right there with my door. The person rushes over. I don't remember. That's my mosquito. That's my mosquito catcher in my room because I live in squalor in here. This is unheard of, making a woman like me live in these conditions. Okay. I took the notes, right? I can't remember. I'm too fucking scared in here. I wrote it down, reference what I wrote. I'm just going to say what I remember, but I don't know what order anymore because I'm too scared. Okay. I heard a door close. I think, it's all blurry. See, this is why I rushed it down. I don't forget, though, so don't worry. When I talk to the feds, I don't forget it. It's just I'm fucking in here by myself, dude, and there's obvious terrorists in here. With the way they're going off and out of the windows, that settles it. It settles it, okay? I'm fucking scared, dude. And because of what the cops did. The cops are the fucking terrorists. This is for the fucking agents to talk to you, the public, about the rest. Because I'm in fucking here. I don't know all the details. An alarm went off. It did its cycle twice. Someone rushed. I heard a door and all this, whatever the word. Right after the alarm, there was this deep door, a deep door hinges going. That's what I was trying to write. It was a creaking, deep creaking type sound like that. It seemed to me it's in the plumbing. This is right before the toilet flushed. I also, when I was first hearing it, thought it was someone in a pot, deep in a pot. It was metal and it had space in the metal. I can't fucking describe all this, so forget it. Deep sounds of metal. Okay, thank you very much. And then the toilet fucking flushes. 1-2 seconds after. And then someone's moving around and then bam, a TV goes on. It's not the one sitting over my door. It's in another room up there. All right. The sirens have stopped screaming for, maybe 10 minutes. I was trying to cook spaghetti sauce. I'm fucking scared in here. And I know the cops are not going to come. They are involved in this. All right, bye.